Hello friends, in this module we are going to discuss about the patents, how to read a patent, what we need to know when we read a patent, what are the parts of the patent, what is the significance of each part of the patent, which part discloses the scope of the invention, legal rights of the invention and the boundaries of the invention. So these are the information we need to know when we read a patent. Before going to the subject matter, we are going to see some interesting, exciting patents that change the world and shape the technology we use every day. Example, patents relates to magnetic levitation, patents relates to iPhone and helicopter drone, patent claiming quadcopter drone patent, patent claiming third generation wireless mobile telecommunications, patents claiming virtual reality generator for displaying abstract information, patent claiming the apparatus for utilizing solar radiant energy, patent claiming the Bluetooth device, patent claiming the vision system for an autonomous vehicle, self-driving car, patent claiming the brain implant, patent claiming CRISPR gene editing. So these are the exciting patents that shape the technology what we use today. Now we are going to discuss the role of the patent system. The role of the patent system is to protect inventions, encourage inventions, accelerate the commercialization of invention to the whole society. Through the patent system, inventors disclose and practice the invention and make it work. Patent system encourages scientific research and new technology. It stimulates new inventions of commercial utility. It passes the invention into public domain after the expiry of the fixed period of the monopoly. Patent rights are granted by the national patent offices. Patent protection for an invention must be sought in each country individually. If you want to have a patent protection for your invention in US, then we need to separately file a patent application in US. If you want to have a patent protection in India, then we need to file a patent application in India. And also the rights granted under the Act are operative in the whole of country. Like example, if you have an Indian granted patent, then the rights granted by the Indian National Patent Office under the Indian Patent Act and rules are operative in the whole of country. There are 4 patent offices in India which are located in Kolkata main office, Mumbai, Chennai and Delhi. There are 3 types of patents: utility, design and plant. Utility patents may be granted to anyone who invents or discovers any new and useful process, machine, article of manufacture, or composition of matters, or any new useful improvement thereof. Plant patents may be granted to anyone who invents or discovers and asexually reproduces any distinct and new variety of plant, including cultivated spores, mutants, hybrids, and newly found seedlings, other than a tuber propagated plant or a plant found in an uncultivated state. Design patents may be granted to anyone who invents a new, original, and ornamental design for an article of manufacture. What is the period of protection that a patent provides? We have 20 years protection from the earliest filing date to which the invention is entitled. Now we are going to discuss the contents of patent. Before we discuss the contents of the patents in detail, we need to understand the difference between the patent applications and the granted patents. Patent application is a request pending at a patent office for the grant of a patent for an invention. Means the request is still pending at National Patent Office, patent still not yet granted for those invention, the invention still under examination at National Patent Office. What is a granted patent? Granted patent is a patent has been granted by the National Patent Office, means the invention has been accepted by National Patent Office for its novelty and industrial applicability. If you wonder how to read a patent, you must understand 3 important information. The patent document what you have or what you are going to read. whether it is a patent application or issued patent, that we need to identify. Second point, the present patent document, where it originates from, which country it belongs to, where it has been filed or granted. And the third information, how to read a bibliographic data present on the front page of the patent document. What are the important quotes given on the front page of the patent document? Bibliographic data, we can understand it means that the information needed to identify and retrieve a publication. It includes items like applicant details, inventor details, filing date, title, publication date, priority date, grant date, abstract, etc. As we discussed, when we read a patent, we need to identify the patent document what we have or what we are going to read is a patent application or issued patent. To identify this, there are two important informations that are helpful. The first one is the number format. Each patent office follows specific number format. By seeing this number format, we can identify whether the patent document is a patent application or issued patent. And the second important point, patent kind code. By seeing this kind code, we can differentiate the kind of patent documents. A kind code is a code used on patent documents published by intellectual property offices to differentiate the different kinds of patent documents. Like example, A1 is the kind code. It represents the present patent document as a patent application. B1 or C1 are the kind codes. It represents the present document as the issued patent. So by seeing this number format or patent kind code, we can identify whether the patent document is a patent application or issued patent. Second important point we need to understand when we read a patent is the patent document, where it originates from, where it has been filed, where it has been granted. World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, designate a country code for each and individual countries. Like example, US means United States of America, IN means India, AU means Australia. By saying this country code, we can understand IN patent means it has been filed in India. US means it has been filed in US. Similar way, we can understand from this country code the patent document where it originates from. And third point, INID code. They are internationally agreed numbers for the identification of data. These codes are used to identify bibliographic data found in patents. The content of the patent applications are patent application number. The application number is the number assigned to a patent application when it is filed. It follows this format in US, 6-digit number with a forward slash after 2 digits. Publication number is a number assigned to a patent application when it is published. The publication number notes the year of publication. The 4-digit denotes the year of publication. The 7-digit number after the forward slash is unique. This format is applicable in US. Title page, inventors. Who are inventors? Individuals who have contributed to the claimed invention. They may or may not have an ownership interest in the legal rights of the patent. Applicants. Who are applicants? Organization or individual that files the patent application is called the applicant. This could be the original inventor or it could be the assignee. Filing date. A date on which the patent application is filed. Publication date. A date on which a patent application is published. Priority date. Abstract. Background of the invention. Object, description, and claims. So these are the content of the patent applications. What are the content of the granted patents? Patent number. 7-digit number follow this format in US. Title page. Inventors. Assignee. Who are assignees? Organizations and individuals that have an ownership interest in the legal rights of a patent offers. Filing date. Date of patent. The date on which the patent has been granted. Priority date. Abstract. Background of the invention. Object, description, and claims. So these are the content of the granted patents. In US, they follow this format for patent application. Year of filing followed by 6-digit number. A1 is the kind code as we discussed before. And for issued patent, they follow the 7-digit number The kind code is B1 or C1 for issued patent. The present slide shows the front page of US grant patent. How we will come to know whether the present document is a patent application or a issued patent. For that purpose, every intellectual property offices, they are using kind code. Like here with B1 is a kind code. It is a code used on patent documents published by intellectual property offices to differentiate different kind of patent documents. B1 is a kind code. Herewith it denotes the present document is a issued patent. Similar way, patent offices uses INID codes. We can see here with some numbers 10, 45, 54, 75. They are INID codes. They are internationally recognized numbers for the identification of bibliographic data in patent documents or in patent gazettes. Each item on the front page of a patent is preceded by a number. These are usually shown in parentheses, brackets, or circles. Like example, number 10, INID code number 10 indicates patent number. In US, the issued patent follow this format, 7-digit number. INID code 45 indicates date of patent, a date on which the patent has been granted. Number 54 indicates the title of the invention. Number 75 indicate the inventor's names, individual names who are contributing in claim of the invention. Number 73 indicates the assignee details to whom the patent right has been approved by patent office. Notice, sometimes patent office extend or adjust the patent term under some patent act or rules. Those kind of information we can find herewith. Number 21 indicates application number. Number 22 indicates the filing date. Number 57 indicates the abstract. Abstract is the important document, important technical information. It briefly describes the technical information about the invention. And the front page of this US grant patent has the details of number of claims, 18 claims, number of drawing sheets. The present slide shows the front page of US patent application number. How we will come to know the present document is a patent application or issued a patent. Here, the patent office uses kind code A1. So A1 denotes that the present document is a patent application. And as we discussed before, the INID code number 10 indicates the publication number, and 43 publication date, a date on which this patent application has been published, and 54 title of the invention, 76 inventor's name, 21 application number, 22 filing date, and 57 is the abstract details. Indian Patent Office follow this format for patent application, 4-digit number / name of patent office in which patent application filed, year of filing. And for granted patent, they follow this format, 6-digit number for issued patent in India. So till now we have seen the front page of US granted patent, US patent application. The present slide shows the front page of Indian issued patent. Herewith you can see the patent number. It follows the present format, 6-digit number. The application number, 4-digit number / name of patent office in which the patent application filed, year of filing 2002, date of filing, patentee name. These are the information we can see on the front page of Indian issued patent. The present slide shows the front page of Indian patent application. Herewith we can see invention title, publication number. The number follow this format. The publication number, note the year of publication, 2009, 10/2009. This is the format using in Indian Patent Office for publication number. Publication date, application number. The application number of Indian patent application follow this format, 4-digit number / name of Indian Patent Office in which the patent application filed, CHENP means Chennai Patent Office, 2008 year of filing, an application filing date, priority number, priority country, priority date, field of invention, name of inventors, individual names who contribute in the claim of invention, the name of applicant, and the abstract. So these are the details we can find on the front page of Indian patent application. The present slide shows the list of country codes provided by World Intellectual Property Organizations. A patent country code reveals from which jurisdiction a patent application or publication originates from. The code consists of two letters at the beginning of the patent number. For instance, the patent number US 123456 originates from the USA. A patent number looking like AU 123456 originates from Australia. So a full list of all country codes and the respective countries can be found here. The present slide shows a full list of all country codes and the respective countries. Now we are going to discuss the content of the patent. They are the field of the invention, background of the invention, objects of the invention, details of the invention, claims, and drawings. The present slide shows field of invention. This particular section describes the scope of invention and subject matter of the invention on which it relates. It refers to the broad area of technology under which the patent falls. This is the section that highlights general and specific field in which the subject matter of the invention falls. Like example, herewith, it denotes that the patent invention relates to formulation means the present patent or the present patent document or the invention relates to formulations. This slide shows background of the invention. This section discusses prior arts and the drawbacks or disadvantages. That is what was known before the invention. This will often include references to specific patents or other documents and might include a discussion of shortcomings of prior patents. This slide shows the object of the invention. This section reflects the advantages of the invention and it describes the solution of the existing technical problem associated with the existing field of art. Each and every object and advantages of the invention described in a separate sentences. The slide shows details of the invention. The detailed description include the detailed technical information about the features of claimed invention, how the invention can be made, how the invention can be carried out, and its application in an industry and other area. So these are the information the details of the invention discloses. Now we are going to discuss the very important component of the patent that are claims. So a patent claim defines the boundaries of an invention and therefore lays down what the patent does and does not cover. A patent claim is a very important thing in a patent application or issued patent, for it defines the subject matter that is sought to be protected. There are two important claims. One is the independent claim, claim number 1, and claim number 15. So these are two independent claims. What are independent claims means? An independent claim is completely self-contained, whereas the claim number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 16, 17, 18, they are dependent claims. You can see here with the dependent claims refers to one of earlier independent claim or dependent claims. Like example, the claim number 2, it refers claim 1. Claim number 3, it refers claim 1. Claim number 4, it refers claim 3. So similar way, this dependent claims refers to one of earlier independent claims or dependent claims, and it is considered to include all of its own limitation as well as these of any of the claims to which it refers. Students, till now we discussed about the content of the patent, how to read a patent, and what exactly we need to know about the patents. I hope you understood these points very well. Thank you so much.